This is all it took to assemble this entire three-piece set from MONVANE. So this is a boneless couch setup. They are 70 inches wide and roughly 43.29 inches deep. And there is plenty of space in these, not just to sit, but to relax, hang out, take a nap, whatever you want to do on this amazing corduroy boneless set. So incredibly cozy, but let me show you some of these features. The first one being that these armrests are totally removable. Why? Because I can actually set these up in any position that I would like. I can slide them together to make one continuous couch. Or one of the neat features about the shapes of these armrests is the fact that, say I'm hanging out on the couch with someone else, we want to share some popcorn, I can easily take my armrest that has this nice U shape and have it as a center console, essentially, to be able to do something like that. Now let's talk about the fact too that there are so many cushions and pillows included with these. So each set has obviously your two-side removable armrests. It also has these two large back pillows and then the two throw pillows too. Those pieces are separate, but the back part is part of the unit, so you don't have to worry about that coming off or anything of that nature. But look how much space there is on these. Now I'm 5'8", and for me, there is so much room that I can sprawl all the way out comfortably on this. Love the fact too that, again, you can reposition them however. This guy wants to be up here because it's his favorite. That's a side note too. They are very, come on, you can come up. They're very scratch resistant. So the fact that I can have my dog up here and not worry about him making marks with his paws because of this very high quality corduroy. I'll let you look down close at that corduroy because it is such a luxurious, thick corduroy that it is so incredibly durable and honestly just feels so nice. So definitely, oh, another thing I want to point out. So while I can easily reposition these, they do actually have a little bit of grip on the bottom. So come around and I want to show you what that looks like so that you understand that even though they're movable, they are slide resistant because of the grip on the bottom. All it took to set these up, like I said, was cutting open the package and letting it grow. They roughly take 72 hours to fully expand, but once they do, it is incredibly cushy. There almost feels like spring in these, but honestly, just a great, great set. Easy to reposition, easy to assemble, really, really great one from MONVANE. Thanks to the brand for sending this out. We really appreciate it.